Welcome to our comparison of two popular Nugget ice makers, the Antarctic Star and the ecozy. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and overall value for your kitchen or bar. Both machines promise to deliver chewable pellet ice, but which one stands out? Let's find out! When it comes to pricing, the Antarctic Star is priced at $209 United States dollars, while the ecozy comes in slightly cheaper at $199 United States dollars. This difference may influence your decision if you're looking for value for money. Both products offer similar features, but the ecozy's lower price could be a deciding factor for budget-conscious consumers. In terms of ice production, the Antarctic Star boasts a capacity of 34 pounds of chewable pellet ice per day, while the ecozy offers 33 pounds. Although the difference is minimal, the Antarctic Star has a slight edge in daily output, which could be beneficial for larger gatherings or frequent use. Both machines feature a self-cleaning function, making maintenance easy. The Antarctic Star promotes its one-click operation for cleaning, while the ecozy includes ice bags, which can be a handy addition for parties. This feature enhances convenience and ensures that your machine stays clean with minimal effort. In conclusion, both the Antarctic Star and ecozy Nugget Ice Makers offer unique features that cater to different needs. The Antarctic Star edges out in ice production capacity, while the ecozy provides a more budget-friendly option. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific requirements and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.